Laundry becomes an easier task with this Hoover washing machine, with a large opening door which allows for hassle-free loading and unloading. One-touch functionality utilises NFC technology and the Hoover Wizard App, giving you the ability to effortlessly pair with your smartphone. So you can control, monitor and manage wash cycles all from your smart devices. KG mode uses a sensor to weigh each load during the first 4 minutes of every cycle, in order to adjust the cycle time, water and electricity consumption accordingly, giving you a tailored, efficient performance that uses the optimal wash settings every time. With an A++ energy rating promising an energy performance up to 40% more efficient than A-rated appliances, you can be sure that you're keeping energy bills low without compromising on performance. This washing machine from Hoover has rapid wash programs, providing the option to get through a load quickly when you're in a rush.